Did you guys know na we have different gifts na binigay si Lord sa atin according to His grace? We are all created in the image of God. At the same time, we have different personalities. One can be shy, one can be introvert, one can be an extrovert, one can be a talkative person. But those two persons can be used by God to serve Him according to His grace. And in Romans 12, it can be prophesying, it can be serving, it can be teaching, it can be encouraging, it can be leadership. Maraming gifts ang pwedeng ibigay si Lord sa atin. For me personally, I don't know the gifts that God has given to me on my first years having relationship with Him. Not until last 2 years na pala, He helped me discover that gift na binigay niya sa akin, which is serving Him to pray through playing a keyboard. And I was surprised. I don't know na yun pala yung regalo sa akin ni Lord. And I thank God for that. And I know to myself na this is not the end, even though I'm serving Him at the church keyboard thing. I know there will be a greater gifts waiting for me in the future. And right now, God is preparing me for that. And I will wait for it to happen in His perfect time and will. I don't know yet, pero parang may pinapakita na sa akin si Lord. Huwag niyo nang alamin ko ano. Pero if that is what happened to me, I'm sure that will happen to you as well. Keep seeking God, keep obeying God, keep trusting God, and His perfect time and will, darating din yung gift na yun. And when the time comes na binigay na niya sa yung gift na yun, maintain it, keep it, use it to serve Him more and to serve others as well. Kasi it's not just for yourself, it is also for other people who are seeking God as well. That's why we're united in Christ. So yun lang po. God bless sa inyo.